Hey garden friends, welcome back to my channel. So the original plan was to do one video with the mailbox and the tree stump planter, but when I was editing I realized, oh my god, it's so long, my attention span is short. So I figured I'd split the video in two. Since this is new potting soil that I put in this spring, I'm not going to change it out. Just going to add some compost, get any roots out of it that need to come out, fill it up. Now that I've added my amendments to the soil, I want to show you what I'll be planting. I was fortunate enough to get my hands on the new Super Tuna Vista Jazzberry. Gorgeous. Just a beautiful, deep pink. Doing a Proven Winners recipe for the first time. This is Prince Tut. It's a grass and it grows to about 30 inches, so it'll be really tall. It will be my thriller, and these will be my spiller. So these are going to go all the way around this. And these get humongous, so it should fill it in. I know it's a big planter and it may look intimidating, but this should fill in nicely. So let's get to planting. For me to do, see this track going around, I want to do this method where I'm going to put paper down. I'm not going to dig anything. I'm going to put cardboard down, and then I'm going to put my soil, because I'm going to angle the soil kind of like so against the tree stump, and then go from there. I think we still have enough light. I can do it. I'm just going to clean up around it and try to make it as perfect a circle as possible, because I have some lovey-dovey, which is our pink and white, which ties with the mailbox, because that's my theme, pink and white, pretty in pink. Oh, it's like Candyland. So let me get to... It got so dark last night. I waited till this morning so I can get back to the project. So the plan is to plant lovey-dovey, which is one of my favorite supertunias. The tag says it gets 6 to 12 inches. And so I think I bought a little more than I needed because I thought it was 6 to 12 inches wide. So I just want to double check on the Proven Winners website. I think that's the height. I don't know what I was thinking. Let's see. Oh, lovey-dovey. And I've done these in planters before, so I know they're beautiful. Lovey-dovey does grow up to 12 inches high, but up to 2 feet wide. So it's going to change how close I put them together. Let's get started. I'm going to position them first so that I can see, because if it gets 2 feet wide, I think I'm going to plant it closer to the trunk of the tree, so then that spread will do 12 inches this way and this way. Yeah, I could have made this bigger, but I was basing it off 12 inches. Real life, it happens. I don't really know. If they grow up to 2 feet wide. Stop process. This one's a little leggy. When they're in the containers, they look so pretty because they're all together. So they're all planted. I'm going to clean up the area, pick up all the pots and tags. Now, back here is going to be a true test for me because the front gets full-on sun once the sun rises from over there. So I really want to see how these do. They get sun, but they don't get as much as the front, so it will be a true test. The other thing is, I'm fighting against these pine needles. Folks say they're poisonous. Let's see what they do. This whole bed. I mean, the pansies did well. Didn't even affect them. So, let's see what happens. Let me clean this up. I'm gonna water these in, and my routine is gonna be once a week. I'm gonna water these with my water soluble fertilizer, the Proven Winners one. And that's a staple for me. I think this will be an amazing display of color, especially for an area in my yard that is just green. The whole thing is just... I'm super excited about this install. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please remember to like and subscribe.